Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix this error on Epic Games. If you're trying to launch Fortnite and this error pops up, I'll show you how to fix it. So before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below, and I'll happily answer them for you. Now, without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So let's minimize Epic Games right over here. So the first thing that you do is go on your file explorer. Right over here, click on your disk PC, your C drive, then over here, click on Windows, System 32, over here, go ahead and go to drivers. And then go ahead and scroll down all the way to this section over here. So it should look something like this. And if you do find MsIo64.sys, go ahead and right click on it and then rename it, then add .all over here. Go ahead and then press enter. Once done, go ahead and restart your PC and your game should be working fine now. And that will be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Peace.